Zhongshan Vace Lighting Technology Company Limited, a professional company providing LED commercial lighting all-round solution. Vace Lighting adopts lean production management model, JIT, 20 production assembly lines with monthly productivity of more than 3 million units. Introduces advanced automatic mechanical production equipment. We owns 4 Ross workshops, 2 dust-free STM workshops. Vace Lighting Technology Company Limited, with the attitude of pursuing perfection, strictly guarantees quality and controls product through consistent process standard and rigorous process. With the integrated industrial chain from LED welding, part forming, surface treatment to assembly, most key components and treatment of Vace Lighting are completed inside. Every product must pass more than 20 production processes and inspection procedures, and the inspections strictly meet the international standard so as to ensure product precision and quality.